Hello everyone, it's Key Auto Gravity. Today we got a BMW 335 E90 here. Previously this system got a iDrive CIC system, and we have replaced the screen with an Android multimedia screen system. Yeah, let's have a quick look. So this is the one, the Android like tablet style of the multimedia system, but it's fully integrated with the existing CIC system. So it's both system. We have the BMW ID7 interface here. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so that's the ID7 interface. As you can see, it's got a navigation, communication, car information, videos. Yeah, let's have a quick look at the main features. The controller here, CIC controller, it is actually can use as well. So while scroll, you can see it's pretty quick, because the one we use is the highest option, 4G 64G. If I long press the main menu, it will go back to the CIC system, factory CIC, so still can use, you know. But yeah, we're gonna use the this system. So navigation, once I press it, will directly go to the here we go map, so it's easy to use. If I press main menu, we'll go back to main menu. Communication, let's connect the Bluetooth. So let's scan the Bluetooth, and password is 0000. Oh, so it's connected. See, it's connected. That's me use territory. Anyway, that's, yeah. So it can use the Bluetooth with the Bluetooth music. See, BT audio. And next, the feature is the yeah, the USB music. So it can play through the MP4 USB, and also even got HD video. So let's see this one here. See here. Wow, this is nice. Look at that.
Imagine a soldier the size of an insect.
Crazy good, to be honest.
If you give godlike powers to everyone, it's going to be chaos.
Beautiful.
So how do we stop him?
I know a guy.
Anyway, let's get out there one for now and check the following features. So yeah, we got a car information and a bit of dashboard. So go back to main menu and press to the left. So we have navigation, quick key, settings, and the most important is apps. So as you can see, we have all the Android apps here. Basically, you can download it from the Play Store. So you got YouTube, here we go, Spotify, and other apps which support the Android unit, you know. Let's have a quick look at the map, you know. Let's see the Google Map. So it's basically need to use 4G or Wi-Fi, but you know, 4G mainly. Let's go back, and you can see the YouTube channel. It's pretty fast, right? Yeah, YouTube channel. And we have here we go map, and also the Spotify music can play. And again, this one got a wireless AppleCarplay. So let's press Z-Link here. Z-Link, as soon as the Bluetooth is connected, it will allow the AppleCarplay wirelessly connected through the Bluetooth. The first time, take the time to connect. But once connected, it will be easy go. So let's have a quick look, okay? Yeah, that's the one. It's almost there. Confirm from the phone now. Connecting. Right, so That's take a little bit of time, but yeah, wireless Apple CarPlay through this Android tablet, and got a 10 icons here, huge screen, easy to use. Again, this Android unit we sold quite a lot for BMW F20, E70, pretty much across all the BMW range models. Perfectly fitted, excellent crystal clear screen, and they installed the reverse camera. Reverse camera is beautifully designed. It looks like factory style, right? So that's nice. Yeah, I'm not going to go through all the features, but generally Apple CarPlay features here, as you can see, use the factory scroller or touch screen. I mean you can reach it, but use factory controller to scroll is a lot easier. That's all we have. So if you got a BMW from 2004 to 2000, maybe around 15, 16, this unit will be definitely one of the best for you, even better than the factory MBTs, or EVO, I think.